Hi, my name is Barbara.Balcom at Guaranty RV. My phone number is 541-521-4232. So you can give me a call if there's something I miss in this video. What we're looking at today is a Coachmen Apex 238 MBS. So that's a Murphy bed with a slide. This unit weighs, the dry weight on this is under 5,000 pounds. It's about 4,800 pounds. What we're seeing here is what's called a gel cap. So with this type of a front of the travel trailer, we've moved the seam off to the side. Coachman's been building RVs for about 63 years. They're a very, very good company. They build a quality product and they're well thought out. That being said, I want to point out that it's easy to get to the spare tire if that ever becomes a necessity. You have 2 tanks underneath here, so plenty of propane on board. An electric tongue jack, so it's easy for you to get on and off the ball. Just makes it convenient. And then it's got a very nice finish on the inside. I like these lights too. When these light up, it really looks sharp. You come around to this side and I'm going to show you that, you know, solar is pretty popular. We like to get up in the woods here or go out to get out of the mainstream. So it does have solar ready, and that's just basically a plug and play. You put the panels on the ground, plug it in here, it keeps your batteries charged. This is a magnetic hatch. So when we look in here, I'm going to show you that this has lighting. So it's not only a nice wide compartment that you can get a lawn chair into, it's finished and it's lit up for you. That makes it nice, especially if you're in the morning or in the evening, you need that light. Gonna come on down, we have frameless windows so you don't have to worry about servicing those. A nice electric awning, outside speakers, dual axles. This is very lightweight, very easy to tow by just about anything. I really like this fact. The grab handle is handy for a couple of reasons. You usually have something in your hands when you're coming in and out of the RV, and so it's nice to have something that you can hang on to. Okay, so we're going to go on in here. This unit is, like I said, very lightweight, the 4,500 pounds, and it has a terrific floor plan. And when I say a terrific floor plan, what I'm talking about is useful space. So it's a short unit that has all of this counter space. It's got a really nice stone cast sink, a double sink in it, a great big, I gotta get in there. It's got a nice oven in it. It's got a great big refrigerator. Look at this. So you have a full-size refrigerator. You've got an oven, range top, microwave, lots of counter space. There's storage underneath this settee, and that will make into a bed if you want to have someone else come along with you. Thoughtful. You can open up these cabinets and you can get underneath there to see what, you know, to get at the things that you've stored, and you can come in from the top as well. So that's handy. Coming around here, it's already equipped with a television and more cabinets down here, more storage up here, charging station. I want to point out that Coachmen uses quality components. So this is a Jensen sound system, MP3 player, Dolby Digital, a charging station, auxiliary, DVD, everything that you need. You know, it's nice to cuddle up in the evening and have and watch a nice movie. So when I told you that this is an MBS, it means that it is a Murphy bed. So the way that that works is this. Let me do it one more time. We're going to fold this over. This is going to go down and get tucked away. And then you lift this up. It's got a pin in it. Actually, I should see it right here. I'm a little short on one end, so see how easily that's put away? Now you have a nice place to sit down, because a lot of times when you are in a smaller trailer, something is left out, and in most cases it's this little ditty right here. So now, and I think if I look again, hang on there with me, there's even some storage under here. So when you're putting the Murphy bed up, you can put your blankets down underneath here and have them put away. Very easily done. This TV comes out. I hear a lot of my clients say, I don't want to turn my head, I don't want to have to kink my neck while I watch TV. So the TV will come out so you can watch it at the dinette, and it also turns like this so you can sit down and comfortably enjoy a movie. This is a terrific little trailer for the size of it. It's got a lot and a little, quite a bit. It's a good weight, it's well constructed, and I encourage you to consider this if you're looking for a small trailer. We'll take a quick peek at the bathroom. You know what, folks? Seeing is believing. You can watch these videos all day long, but you need to come out and sit down on the couch, lie down on the bed, and get a feel for how you feel about it. I'm always waiting for my clients to say, I really like this one. So we'll peek at the bathroom, and then I'm going to say farewell, and you can give me a call, and we can talk about the other features. But here's the bathroom quickly. Nice shower, a basin, just a nice little setup for you. So my name is Barbara.Balcom. I'm with Guaranty RV. My phone number is 541-521-4232. Give me a call. We'll talk about it. Come on out and have some lunch. Take a look at the trailer. Thank you.